to show you how to make my award-winning naked chicken wings. Naked meaning there's no sauce on it. You could use any dipping sauce you want. You got your honey mustard, buffalo sauce, ranch, you name it. We're gonna start out with a tablespoon of garlic, tablespoon of minced onion, tablespoon of kosher salt, tablespoon of black pepper. This is 1 packet of sazon. This is a tablespoon of oregano leaves, tablespoon of smoked paprika. We got your 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, and you're gonna be using anywhere from 2.5 to 3 pounds of chicken wings that's been parted out. First thing you're gonna wanna do is wash your wings and thoroughly dry them off. Take up as much moisture as you can. Use a paper towel. Blot them dry, okay? You do that for all of them. The drier you can get it, the better it is, okay? That's what's gonna give you that nice, crispy skin. Last but not least, you have approximately, I would say, close to 30 wings here. So if you're only gonna do 10 wings, 20 wings, adjust your amount of seasonings. But like I said, this is about closer to 3 pounds. Now you're gonna wanna season your wings anywhere from 2 hours up to 24 hours ahead of time to give the seasoning enough chance to get into your meat. Okay, first thing you want to do, take your olive oil, just pour it over it, like so. Take your garlic powder, sprinkle it all around. Onion powder, kosher salt, pepper, sazon packet, oregano. These wings are going to be full of flavor. There's nothing bland in any of my recipes, if you haven't noticed. Smoked paprika. Minced garlic. Don't worry, it's not gonna taste too garlicky. I love garlic, that's why I put garlic and garlic powder. Now the fun part. Put gloves on your hands if you want. I'm a mechanic. Dirt don't bother me. This ain't dirty, it ain't the same thing, but I don't mind getting my hands dirty, okay? Grab your wings and mix everything very thoroughly. The oil helps the seasonings adhere to the meat. Make sure everything is good like that. Keep going. When you think you had enough mixing, go a little more. Make sure everything is well seasoned. Now that everything is well seasoned and mixed in, you're gonna put it in your refrigerator, like I said, for 2 hours or up to 24 hours ahead of time. Okay, it's been 4 hours. I got a baking sheet here. I always line it with foil so it makes cleanup super fast, okay? Now you're gonna wanna take your wings and just lay them out. Try not to overcrowd the pan too much. You wanna give them space so the hot air can get around them. Okay? These are some thick wings right there.
Damn, boy. Damn, boy, he's thick, boy!
Here's what you're gonna end up with. Properly spaced. Ready to go in the oven. Put in the oven 400 degrees for 40 minutes. So I'm gonna show you what it looks like at the 40-minute mark. This is what you're gonna end up with after 40 minutes. Now you're gonna turn your oven on the warm setting right now, okay? Which will be 170 degrees. And you're gonna leave it in there for anywhere from 30 minutes to an hour. So I would say at the 30-minute mark, you pull them out and see how your skin is. If you want it a little more, put it right back in there. But right now, these are pretty much cooked, but the skin isn't to my liking yet. So this is what we're going for. I'll show you what it looks like and how long it took. This is what you're gonna end up with it. Questions, comments, leave them below. I get back to everyone. Take care, fellas.